What's going on YouTube? OCD for EDC here, and what I got for your face balls today is an unboxing video. This was a box of goodies sent from one of my very generous viewers who shall go unnamed at the moment. Anyway, this is, as you can see, this is a large box, so I'm going to set it off to the side for a moment. I also received a couple new TwoSuns today, which is pretty exciting. So I got this bad boy right here. This is the TS-176. This is a Wong design in 14C28N. I got this bad boy right here. Gorgeous knife, front flipper, and this is the TS-198, also a Wong design in 14C28N. And I also got this beautiful guy right here. This is the TS-177 Maverick. And I think these have names as well. I don't know them right off the top of my head. So anyway, we're going to go with the numbers for right now. But this thing right here is absolutely gorgeous. All three of them are gorgeous, but this one especially. So I love the texturing on the titanium. This happens to be a design from Tepe and Night Morning. And this one's rocking M390 blade steel. Gorgeous knife. So, I think for the unboxing, we're going to go ahead and use the TS-198 here just because that blade looks like it's ready to cut into some boxes. So, let's get into this guy here real quick and see what we have in this box. So, he has told me a few things that he was going to send, but I honestly, a lot of this is going to be a surprise, and this is a large box, so we'll see what all is inside here. All right. Well, set that off to the side for right now. First up, you got some nice little pouches here, which is awesome for sending knives in. This is the first one. Oh, this is the Mazwan Mokhtar. I had this knife in D2, but I happen to know that this is the version in M390 because it has, yes, M390. It has marbled carbon fiber, and it also has got a much needed longer backspacer because on the original one, you absolutely could cut yourself on the blade. But this is the 136 Stingray, I think is what this is called, if I remember correctly. It's an absolutely gorgeous knife. And of course, you can Spidey flick it, you can do all the stuff, and as well as, if I can do it on camera here, it is a front flipper. Just an absolutely gorgeous knife. So we'll definitely be talking more about that one. Here is a Civivi pouch. So let's get into this one here. Oop. And this one is, I'm pretty sure, the Civivi Praxis. And you can see that beautiful Damascus. Gorgeous knife. Got another unnamed pouch here. Oh, this is another TwoSun that I've definitely been wanting to check out. So this one here, I cannot remember the number on this one. Maybe it's the, yeah, this is another Mazwan Mokhtar design. This one is in D2. As you can see, some custom anno work there, as well as this one. None of this, this just comes in standard titanium. But you got some beautiful anno work going on here with that really cool pivot collar on both sides, some really beautiful carbon. So gorgeous, gorgeous little knife. We're gonna have to start moving some out of the way here. Whoa, this thing here is a beast. So here we've got another unnamed bag, and we have this. Look at this thing. Some beautiful anno work going on this guy here. Wow. So it looks like he did some sponge work there with piano. Holy shit. Yeah, this thing's a beast. This thing is definitely, that blade is definitely a beast for sure. So I'm not sure what this knife, holy cow, the action on this thing. I mean, the blade is so heavy, it truly is like a guillotine. So I don't see any writing on this thing, so I'm not sure what this one is, but definitely going to have to do some research on that. We have another Civivi pouch here. Oh, this is, yeah, he told me about this one. So this is the Civivi Wyvern. Let me get the dust off of it. And so this has got the FRN or GFN handle. And this one is also rocking Damascus. Really gorgeous little blade. I've not handled one of these Wyverns before, so you know, the action on that thing's really good. And these scales, if you've never handled one of these, is very contoured, almost round. So gorgeous little knife there. Huge difference in weight between those two right there, that's for sure. So we have another unnamed pouch here. Ah, this is another TwoSun, if I remember correctly. Yes, I can tell by the pocket clip. I do not remember what number this is, but wow, action on it is pretty stellar. That's an interesting design for sure. And I do not know that designer off the top of my head. This is certainly one that I have not had before. But definitely an interesting design and definitely extremely thin behind the edge. I could see that secondary grind there. The secondary bevel was very, very thin. Yeah, action on that thing is really stellar. We've got another unnamed pouch here. So let's get into this one. Wow, okay. This is going to be another knife that I am not familiar with. I don't see a logo or a brand anywhere. That certainly looks like a TwoSun pivot there. Yeah, I'm going to say this is a TwoSun. Yes, it is. Interesting. I have not seen this one before. I don't know what this one is. Oh, this is a night morning design, and it's a older one based on the logo there. So, yeah, that's cool. And the stone wash on the ano is really beautiful. That's a cool knife for sure. Action on it is what I would expect from a TwoSun. So another beautiful knife. And they keep coming. We got another unnamed pouch and another TwoSun. So I am flush with TwoSuns, that is for sure. So this one here, I've seen this one before. I don't remember what the number is on it. Maybe the 17. I know this is a pretty older model. It might be the 07 actually. I can't remember. But look at the ano work on that. Really gorgeous. And some nice swedge on the top of the blade here. You got a compound grind going on this tanto. That's beautiful. And this is another night morning design, and this one is rocking S90V. So that's pretty cool. Let me see if I can't move some stuff out of the way here. We'll set that guy right in the middle. And I think this is the last one, but we'll have to go through the packaging and look. Another unnamed pouch. And this one here is another TwoSun, judging by the hardware. And this is, again, another one I am not familiar with. Ooh, now I'm thinking this one might be the 07. I don't know. I'm going to have to do some research. These are not ones that I've had before, but you can see here, another night morning design. This one is in M390. Nice knife. And I'm going to say this one came this way from the factory with this black coating on it. I'm not sure what the coating is exactly, but yep, really nice. Gorgeous, gorgeous knives. So, yep, that's all of it. So there we go. That's what we got. We definitely have got some gorgeous knives in here. Yeah, these knives are, like I said, were generously loaned to me so I could check all these ones out, and I seriously appreciate that. And the owner of these knives knows who he is, so like I said, he'll go unnamed at the moment. But definitely, oh, there is one more. Yeah, forgot about this one. I set it off to the side because it was about to fall out of the pouch. So this one here, again, oh, right there you can see M390. I'm not sure the brand on this one. Oh, this is the Venom. Excellent. Very thin behind the edge. Really nice grind. You got this carbon fiber insert in the blade. You got a tritium vial there in the pocket clip. Oh, this is the one. Yeah, he wanted me to smooth out the finish on the blade. There's some, or the pocket clip. There's some scratches on it, and I've got some bead blasting equipment, so I was gonna help him out with that. But man, the action on this thing is stellar. So, man, this thing's a beautiful knife for sure. So check out the carbon fiber there. It's a cool backspacer. A lot of ramp on that pocket clip. So nice. You can see some scratching there, or some kind of bad spots. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look a little closer into that, but there you go. So these are the knives that I got sent to check out. Definitely some really cool stuff, no doubt about it. We're gonna set that guy right there. All right, well, that's what was in the box, and I'm super excited to get my hands on all of these, and I can't wait to do some research on the ones I don't know about and kind of dig into them a little deeper. So that was all I had for your face balls today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and look forward to showing off all these knives in the coming days, and also showing off the new TwoSun acquisitions that I have received. Definitely some more TwoSun stuff coming, and so yeah, should be exciting. So stay tuned. Have a good day, guys. We will see you next time.